yesterday as it was thunderstorming. I tried to wrap all this up. And we could not, so we had to stop. So here we are again. Wires are run. Let's go ahead and put our positive together first. This is our negative. So our negative needs a 2 5/16, I believe. No, 2 3/8. So I'll put a 2 3/8 on there. Just pop off and off, and it slips right in. 3/8. Smash it. If I can get it with this. So now let's throw a heat shrink on and heat shrink it. Don't need much. Just barely. Alright, so we'll go from there to there. Alright, so we're going to put our negative, let's see here, on the bottom. Just to slow down now. Just right behind everything. So let's cut this off. Make our negative line. We'll just slide that on there. Lights are so old and gross. Let me put the heat shrink on first. Check the other end, make sure we're looking good, which we are. And clamp it down. On. Slide this over. Heat shrink it. Alright. And we gotta decide how this is gonna roll over here. So, put the top and around. And down. Like that. Perfect. There we go. So that will be our negative lines. Realized got this shit. I need to feed it through these so that they're protected and insulated. And 2. Here they go. And then we'll slide them on like that. There we go. Screw this little nut on there. Hallelujah. Now there's going to be people out there that wonder, well, why didn't you put a switch in here? You know, on-off switch. And the answer to that's simple. I didn't have one laying around the house, so I just put this in. Okay, so let me go pull that tight. We'll clamp that down. So now we move on to our positive line. So on the positive end, obviously it's important to put something to indicate that you are working with a positive line and not a negative line. So we'll just slide a little piece of red heat shrink on there and shrink it down. Done and done. then this here is the old positive line, which will come to there. So we'll go ahead, snip it off, like so. And then trim it off. Got a lot of tape on here, thanks to me. Because I thought, well, I'll never need to get in there again because that's done. Don't know how many times I've done that on this project. And then come back later going, oh, gotta cut that off. Gotta ruin that. Gotta pay for that again. There was no way of knowing. Come on. Still haven't even wrapped up the aqua hot. Electrical lines are dangling down into this bay. It's kind of hilarious. One day. And you know what? While we're at it, let's take this one. This is the little re-upper that says, hey, battery, let's top you off. We'll just slide that down through the heat shrink like this. We will take this now. Get on here and heat shrink that down. Trust me, it will make sense. And this one, I want to Alright, feeling good about that. Now I just need to take our wires and clean them up. So this is our positive and negative that run to the battery. Ouch. Actually, no. This one and this one are together. So we'll keep them coming from the battery together, looking nice. Okay. When I lose my drill, I just want to go nuts. This little screw. Should we get stuck in here? Can. This. So those two are now tied back in there. So then we have this one and this one that we need to tie up over here. There we go. Okay, now I can go on the other side and yank them. I don't have to worry about them shifting. I'll put one more in there. But yeah, we're good. The prettiest job I've ever done, but it will work. To the other side. Got a ton of extra line here on these. And I want them to come through. Guess I should just see if they work first. Huh. That. So, I don't even know if my battery's good right now. I better test it. Hold on. Alright. 3.61, so it looks like we're good. Yay, Harbor Freight! Ouch. So, I want to fire this generator up today. It's like critically important to what I'm wanting to achieve. So, oh gosh, darn it. Alright, back out on the road. Stupid auto parts store. These. That's the size. Alright, so we got power. Let's go. Fuel to the generator and start this up. So my fuel line's on here. Forgot that I had stopped here. So I've got a whole video series on my fuel problems from last year that I'll be posting up as soon as I'm out on the road and have some time to make videos. But yeah, last year to get out on the road, because of the timeline and the time crunch that we came up against, I had to take the fuel line and run it directly into the Aquahot fuel line. Oops. So this year I would like to have this work. And this is the fuel line that runs back to the actual fuel tank. And it was sucking air pretty bad. I don't even know where to start. This is part of me that thinks, well, just keep trimming it off here. I see a couple places where, oh, there it is. Where's that from you? It's from you. Alright. So what we'll do is we'll just hook this line into the Aquahot and fire it up just to see that it works. Man, it got dusty last year in here. This needs to go back on. I don't know where. Right there. Alright, let me grab some stuff and get this started.